Welcome to our channel. In life's journey, practicing self-discipline is crucial for propelling yourself forward relentlessly. Fearlessly pursue knowledge and invest in your growth, regardless of the obstacles that may come your way. Pay no mind to others' opinions and distance yourself from negativity to stay focused on your goals. Channel your energy into developing your education, body, and thinking. Cultivate courage, build genuine connections, and enhance your abilities to reach new heights. Embrace a clear ambition and strive for excellence in everything you do. The path to success is paved with continuous learning and unwavering determination. Let this advice guide you to the pinnacle of your aspirations. Watch our video on The Path to Success, Embracing Discipline and Growth to learn more about how you can achieve your goals and fulfill your dreams. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content to inspire you on your journey to success.